price from here is honestly has incredible upwards bound to go even beyond the $1,000 mark. And, right now we're looking at overall for Nvidia, like consensus expectations is around like 548 per share. The stock has just done really well. It's very hard for me to argue otherwise. Like
Yeah.
especially when you're constantly beating earning expectations, like I just
It's
don't see the seller story for it.
Yeah, I think it's like through the highs that we saw yesterday, as well. Now 1133 is a pre-market. I don't even know what that means. 10-for-1 stock split coming up here.
Oh, that's
as
right.
well. Victoria, at the bottom of your note on Nvidia, you go to what's different now, which is it seems to be a new adult tech. From the view of Banrion, is tech really wedded now to dividend growth and share buyback for use of cash?
Absolutely. I mean, when we're thinking, again, like the whole issue in terms of tech and how we're thinking about this is that like profit margins is well above like 75%. And when we think about, for example, how to capitalize or how to get involved in these technology-based stocks, I mean, whether it's smaller companies like Supermicrocomputer, Nvidia being kind of the top player in terms of what we're looking at with AI, but also cryptocurrency and like GPU, like how all of that is processed. Like again, like I think that there is a great like buyer story to be had here.
So, Victor, I'm looking through your stock list, and a lot of kind of high valuation technology, biotech, healthcare, but then you also got a Diamondback Energy in there. Talk to us about energy and how you think about that in the context of some of your more higher multiple and higher growth names that you guys like.
Absolutely. So Diamondback, when we think about basically it's independent oil, natural gas company. And a lot of what we're seeing right now in terms of whether that's the Biden administration pulling down on tariffs for when it comes to like EV vehicles, it's almost like a protectionary measure in order to kind of protect certain industries that are here. So basically, it's been trading at like almost 8 times earnings over the past couple of years. They have a very strong like team backing them, and then essentially, again, we have some protective measures that are coming in place where we're trying to be more cordial towards industries that are here within the U.S. So that's where I would see kind of the story for Diamondback, and then also just in terms of like free cash flows as well into the hundreds of millions.